Hello, my name's Rachel Dawson. I'm the author of Neon Roses, which is a lesbian coming-of-age romance set in the 1980s between the miners' strike and the implementation of Section 28. I'm going to read a section of the first page. Drive is off before Alenid can stuff her skinny paper ticket in her coat pocket. Luckily, she knows what's coming. She grips the side of his cab, bending her knees while the floor bucks underneath her. The terraces lining the street face off like a pair of cowboys with pistols drawn, so it takes some forceful steering from drive to turn the bus in the space between them. The white pebble dash of the end terrace fills the bus window, like they're driving through a blizzard. Bit close today. The bus pitches forward as he guides them back down to the main road, brakes squealing as he controls their descent. Alenid grapples her way up the aisle using the rails on the back of each seat, Mably following behind. Mabs always prefers to sit at the back of the bus. These days there is never much competition for the seats. There are still a few girls off to work at the TikTok, but you used to see the mamgees on their way into town with their smart framed handbags and portcullis patterned coats. Alenid hasn't seen the jeweller shop girl, Michelle the Gems, in ages. If Alenid is early for the bus home, she lingers outside the jeweller's. Hasn't seen the jeweller shop girl, Michelle the Gems, in ages. If Alenid is early for the bus home, she lingers outside the jeweller's